Bass Bay for the 80,000th time. I'm done mucking around with the light gear. We're gonna bring out the P5. Jason's been catching his spangos on the Indigo, so I thought I'd give mine a go. I wanted to save it for Quabba if we managed to make our way down there, but you know, do a bit of little testing, see if we can get one. I just want to catch a fish, just one, or one more I should say. That GT was pretty cool. I want a spango. We're gonna actually do a little catch and cook. Not in the video, but actually just catch a fish, cook it and eat it, because I don't know, we're not running low on food, we're just getting bored. But yeah, we'll see you down on the little ledge. Alright, we're back at the ledge. We'll set our drag for some spango drag, since apparently they like to pull string. Man, I really wouldn't mind a big GT. That'd be sick. Jason, can I cast? That was kind of a bad cast. Oh, it's so hard to cast P5. Oh no. Oh, these lures swim so good. Oh, guide wrap. What the f? I just made it so much worse.
Oh my god.
What the f? I'm gonna need your help. If I have to swim to get that lure, I will. I'm not losing a $60 lure. Alright. Please don't be snagged. I'm gonna have to go for a swim. I'm not leaving it. Alright, I just had to go for a freaking swim to get my lure because I got a guide wrap and then it snagged on a reef just right in front of me, so oh well, you gotta do what you gotta do. These lures aren't cheap. I don't think it's too psychotic to want to go for a swim and retrieve it. It's quite murky actually. This southwesterly does not help. It calms down a fair bit later, so we'll see what action that provides. Spangly, that'd be so good. Especially after that revitalizing swim. Man, when equipped with the right terminal tackle, you can really get these lures kicking. Probably should have stretched before I started casting this. I've been so used to casting the 3000. Oh, they're in a kayak. I thought they were surfing the break.
Yeah. Hey guys, I'm using the Gordo. Stick bait, we're on a new. I totally got that on camera.
Say. Oh, I hate fishing.
Tim's not having good luck. Yeah.
I don't care, I'm probably going to lose this lure to a shark anyway. I'm just sick of doing that.
So I've done that before.
Yeah, but did you smack the rock?
No.
Exactly.
Especially how hard you swung with the teeth.
Now you're fine. Wow, that really sucks.
This is your first time using it too.
Yeah, if we go to quabber, we're probably going to lose these lures anyways. It's either a shark or a ray. Of course I get fucking rats. I'm on a cobia! Or a shark. Dude, it's a cobia! I'm pretty sure it is. Look at him! Get on the beach now. He's shaking his head. Wait. Grab his tail. Grab his tail! Oh my gosh! What the f? Yes! Hang on. Yes! 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 Let's go take a photo. I want to release him.
Oh my god!
Oh, cobia! Oh my gosh! I got it on film too! He engulfed that lure, man. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that thing! Alright, as you might have seen, we just landed my dream fish in Exmouth. It's always been a Spanish mackerel land-based in Perth on lure, but up north it's always been a cobia, and to get it at Lighthouse Bay, targeting Spangled Emperor, is just, I don't know if you could tell by the screaming, but I was pretty happy. We ended up releasing that fish. He was out of the water for a decent amount of time, which I was not too keen about. We're contemplating whether or not to keep him. I usually like fishing singles, but I didn't have any spare singles. I only had trebles, so we didn't get a measure on him, but that's okay. I was rushing to get him in the water, but we're gonna keep an eye on where I actually landed the fish, see if he washes up, because if he washes up, we'll keep him and we won't waste a single bit of him. But since I keep getting dusted on the light gear and I finally caught an awesome fish on the heavy. I'm gonna bring out the light gear again and see if we can conquer that Spangled Emperor on light gear. I don't even care. I could catch nothing for the rest of the trip and I'm happy. That cobia was just, oh man. I seen the ray in the distance. I couldn't tell if it was a shark or a manta, but ended up casting completely far away from it and then getting wrapped, and it was moving pretty quick. So I quickly unraveled my lure, chucked another cast out, and I actually thought I hooked onto the ray for a second, and then there was head shakes, the ray swam off, and it was go. My drag was really tight. Drag was set just in case I hook a GT, so he didn't pull a stringer drag, but I don't care. It was a cobia, land-based, pretty much on the beach. Oh man, that's insane. All right, we've had a few casts. I'm gonna call it there. I'm pretty content with just that cobia today. Yeah, the water's still dirty here. We haven't had a clean water session. I don't know if that matters. I think it is more tidal affected here. I don't like fishing in dirty water anyways. I'm gonna stick it to the light gear, but I will have the heavy gear on standby because I have heard you do get GT coming through here and I'd hate to be unprepared for one of those. So yeah, I guess that concludes this episode, at least if I'm filming episodes, and we'll see you for the next one. So thanks for watching, and yeah, cheers.